Good morning, dear students. Today I will discuss about the main features of 8051 microcontroller. As we know, 8051 microcontroller is the most popular and commonly used microcontroller in various fields like embedded system, consumer electronics, automobiles, and extras. Technically, the microcontroller 8051 is known as Intel MCS 51 architecture. It was developed by Intel in year 1980 and it was very popular in mid 80s. But nowadays it is outdated because many advanced microcontrollers are developed and designed by Intel. 8051 have many features such as serial communication, timers, interrupts, extras, and hence many students started their work on the concept of microcontroller with 8051. Although this trend seems to be changed with the introduction of Arduino board, but 51 is history now and is now not used as it is used in mid 80s. The basic of 8051 microcontroller, this is the diagram for 8051 microcontroller. This is the 40 pin 8051 microcontroller. 8051 is an 8-bit microcontroller, that is data bus of 8051 microcontroller, that is both external as well as internal data bus is 8-bit byte. It is based on CISC-based microcontroller with hardware architecture, that is it must have separate program and data memory. Since the basic layout of microcontroller includes central processing unit, ROM, RAM, etc., the 8051 also has a similar layout. 8051 is a 40-pin device, but out of these 42 pins, 32 are used for input output. 24 of these pins, they are dual purpose, that is they can operate as input output or control line or as a part of address or data bus. 8-bit ALU, arithmetic logic unit, or ALU is the heart of microcontroller. It performs arithmetic and bitwise operation on binary numbers. ALU in 8051 is 8-bit ALU, that is it can perform operations on 8-bit data. 8-bit accumulator. The accumulator is an important register associated with ALU. The accumulator in 8051 is also 8-bit register. RAM 8051 has 128 bytes of RAM, which includes special function registers and input/output port registers. ROM 8051 has 4 kilobytes of on-chip ROM, that is program memory. Input/output port 8051 has 4 8-bit input/output ports which are bit addressable and bidirectional. Note the point that 8 4 8-bit input/output ports are bit addressable and bidirectional. timer oblique counter 8051 has two 16-bit timers oblique counters. Serial port 8051 supports full duplex universal asynchronous receiver transmitter communication. UART means universal asynchronous receiver transmitter communication. External memory 8051 microcontroller can access two 16-bit address line at once, one each for ROM and RAM. The total external memory that an 8051 microcontroller can access for ROM and RAM is 64 kilobyte, that is 2 raised to power 16 for each type, that is RAM and ROM. Additional features: interrupts, on-chip oscillators, Boolean processors, power down modes. These are some of the extra features which are also included in 8051 microcontroller. 8051 microcontroller are packaged in different types of packaging such as SDIP, HDIP, PLCC, QFC, that is quad flat package, and HSOP. "8051 microcontroller is available in variety of IC packaging type as shown in above figure. The most common and popularly used 8051 microcontroller is DIP or dual in-line package. It is often available as a 40-pin DIP, that is PDIP, that is plastic dual inline IC. The other common packaging type is 44 lead PLCC, that is plastic leaded chip carrier. It is a kind of surface mount package, SMT, surface mount technology. And other types are also used such as 44 lead TQFC, that is thin quad flat package. Some of the application of 8051 microcontrollers are, they are used in consumer appliances such as TV tuners, remote controllers or remote controls, computers, shaving machines, extras. Home appliances such as TV, VCR, video games, camcorders, music instrument, home security system, garage door openers, communication system such as mobile phone, intercoms, answering machines, paging devices, office such as in fax machines, printers, copiers, laser printers, etc. Automobiles such as airbags, ABS system, engine control, transmission control, temperature control, keyless entry, aeronautical and space, medical equipment, defense system, robotics, industrial process and flow control, radio and networking equipment, and remote sensing. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the architecture of 8051 and some of the more advanced features of 8051. Till then, bye bye. Thank you a lot.